4 of Introduction to Chemistry. In this lesson, we are going to look at SLO 1.2.3, which is define molecule, ion, and molecular ion. What is molecule? Whenever two or more atoms are held together by a chemical bond, the particle that forms is called molecule. Okay, what do you mean by this? Let's take an example. We have a water molecule here. Can you see two hydrogen atoms? Because water, which is H2O, you all know the chemical formula of water, with H2O. There are two hydrogen atoms in this water molecule, one hydrogen, another hydrogen, and the center you have oxygen. So there are three atoms which are held together. Can you see the forces between them? Okay, so these are the forces that are holding these atoms together. Whenever two or more atoms are held together, the particle that forms this particle itself is called the molecule. Okay, let's take another example, which is carbon dioxide molecule. Carbon dioxide is basically a gas, and you can see one carbon joining with two oxygen atoms. Okay, so there are two oxygen atoms in the carbon dioxide molecule, carbon in the center and two oxygen in the surrounding. So you have carbon dioxide molecule. Some molecules are small, some molecules are large. It totally depends on the number of atoms it is formed by. Okay, जितने भी atoms होंगे उसके ऊपर molecule depend करेगा. कुछ molecules size में छोटे होते हैं, कुछ molecules size में बड़े होते हैं, कुछ molecules size में बहुत complex होते हैं. Okay, and the shape is also very complex. These are very simple molecules. H2O and carbon dioxide molecules are very simple and they are very abundant in our atmosphere. हमारी atmosphere में बहुत common है ये दो molecules. Okay, boys, have you ever observed a glass of water, and have you ever thought what that glass of water is made by? Glass of water या water की जो body होती है वो किससे बनी हुई होती है? So we have so many water molecules in that glass of water that are floating inside, okay, that are moving inside. So you have water molecules in the glass of water. So when you have so many water molecules together, when you have so many molecules together, you collectively called it as a compound. जब बहुत सारे same molecules आपस में एक साथ रहते हैं तो उनको आप collectively क्या कहते हो? Compound कहते हो. So water is also called a compound. So one particle itself is called a molecule, and so many particles together they are considered as compound. Okay, what is an ion? Ion is basically an atom or a molecule that loses or gains electron. जब भी कोई atom या molecule electrons को lose या gain करता है, they get a charge, and that charged particle is called आयन. ठीक है, तो उसको हम फिर आयन कहते हैं. जब भी कोई एटम, whenever an atom or a molecule loses or gains an electron, they get charged, and that charged particle is now called an ion. Let's take an example here. Over here we have sodium atom. Okay, a sodium atom है. Sodium atom has one electron in the last shell. When the one electron is lost, can you see that one electron losing in this case? We have the last shell gone. हमारे पास यहाँ पे 3 shells हैं atom में, यहाँ पे 2 shells हैं. So okay, so the last shell is gone because the electron that was present in the last shell has gone now. So once the electron is gone, sodium gets a positive charge. Okay, whenever an atom loses an electron, it gets a positive charge, and whenever an atom gains an electron, it gets a negative charge. Okay, gaining पे negative charge and losing पे positive charge. What is molecular ion? A molecule, when molecules lose or gain electrons, we saw over there an atom losing an electron. जब हमने सोडियम की एग्जांपल देखी तो वहाँ पे सोडियम एटम था. ठीक है, similarly when you have molecule losing or gaining electrons, these molecules get a charge, and these particles are now called molecular ions. So atom से atomic ion बनता है, और molecule जब electron को lose या gain करता है, it forms a molecular ion. We have some molecular ion that we have to learn, and we should know their charges and we should know their names. So you all have to learn these molecular ions. We have the negative molecular ions, we have some positive molecular ions. So negative molecular ions, we have sulfate ion, which is SO4, and the charge on that is 2-. Carbonate ion, CO3, and the charge on that is 2-. Nitrate is NO3, charge is 1 minus. Hydroxyl is OH, 1 minus. Acetate CH3 COO, 1 minus. This is called perchlorate ClO4. The charge on that is 1 minus. Phosphate ion, which is PO4, the charge on that is 3 minus. Can you see all these are molecular ions, okay? Because they are formed by molecules. जब भी molecule ion electron को lose या gain करता है, so उसके ऊपर भी charge रहता है, ठीक है? Lose करने पर charge will be positive and gain करने पर charge will be negative. So what do you mean by 2 minus? इसका मतलब क्या है? SO4 ने 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन किए हैं कहीं से, ओके? नेगेटिव चार्ज मीन्स गेनिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन. गेनिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन पे नेगेटिव चार्ज आता है, तो इसका मतलब जो 2 माइनस चार्ज है इसका मतलब ये है कि इसने 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन कहीं से गेन किए थे. Okay, we have positive molecular ions. The first one is called ammonium ion, which is NH4 1 plus. Okay, 1 plus means it has lost 1 electron. Hydronium ion means H3O 1 plus. Okay, so we have only 2 positive ions over here in our course. What you have to do, your task is to copy down all the points that I have shown you in this video. You don't have to draw the pictures or the diagrams. जो complex diagrams है वो आपको draw नहीं करनी. You just have to draw simple diagrams that were shown, and you have to copy down all the definitions that I have shown in the video. If you have any problem, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you so much.